and welcome back. And today, this is part 2 of Angry Birds Obby Roblox and Adventures. So let's get into it. So, oh yeah, I forgot about that. Let's keep on going. I did it again. Hang a minute. Bear with me. I'm just closing the door because someone's hoovering. So, come on, look at this. Oh, this is brilliant. Oh, this is just brilliant from him. He's the best. He is the best parkourer in the world. So, I just need to move the time out the way. And put it. Let's do it. Wait, 3, 2, 1. That 1, 2, 3. Last off. Go. Oh, hop, be hop. Then just hop. Woo! Remember last time I forgot to save it? That was so funny. I forgot to save it and then I pressed load by accident instead of save. But luckily we were only 4 stages behind. Whoa, without stopping like a boss. Come on. Just like that, yeah, and just like that, I'm a boss. And can I just cheat? No. It doesn't let you do that. Why would you think you would do that? Just been to the cinema today to watch Moana. It's kind of a good movie. Yeah, it is. Because she controls the water, but I don't want to spoil it. But it was a good movie, Moana. Even though it's a kind of a princess song. Like, again, first jump. What, you can buy a flying octopus? That is just crazy. A flying octopus. I really want a boombox. But stage. What? No, what? Hang a minute. Is this on stage 42? Guys, the thingy's not moving. We need to hop all the way. Hang a minute, where is it now? Hang a minute. Was that a glitch? I don't know. Hang a minute. Yeah, the star's there. I was wondering why the star wasn't there. Oh, I didn't know they did that. Didn't know they did that. 43. Foul. Shut up with the points. Soon, this video, we're definitely going to finish it. But don't get your hopes up. If I get 20 subscribers, I will just be very happy. So, please, if you're watching now and you want more Roblox adventures, then hit that subscribe button, and then I forgot to press it. Oh, I just hit myself in the head. That's really unfortunate. So I just need to like that. This angle is very weird, but I can't. Oh yes, just like that, yeah. I thrashed that level like a balls. Not a boost. Now I have to do that all again. I'm just saving it just in case I lose connection or the game shuts down. And then, if I finish this early, then I might have one game on Murder Mystery. Just like a balls. We're nearly there. Boom, yeah. Now we are on thingy. I just wish underneath, like here, that they will have like the Angry Bird City. Because on obbies, it's kind of weird. It's not like you're escaping it. Look, we're in floating Angry Birds obby. It should be like the city down there. Do you know what I mean? Like a picture of a city, the Angry Bird City. Yeah. In 2 weeks, I think, I don't know, but in a couple of, in two or one or even 3 weeks, I'm going to do another 4-pack opening Pokemon cards. Because every 3 or 4 weeks, for pocket money and stuff, I get 4 packs of Pokemon cards. For 3 weeks, doing chores. But if I don't do my chores, then I have to start again. And now I felt my shirt is getting angry. My shirt wants to kill the pig. Let's punch the pig. My hair fell off. My shirt's still alive. Okay. So there. It keeps on flagging. No. That's not fair. That's not fair. I can't do the simplest bit ever. Yay. Oh, just an escalator. Level 52. Whoa. What's her name again? I don't know. Don't know what name is. It looks like there's supposed to be a path there. I don't know. Come on. Thank you. Oh right. I didn't think it was supposed to do that. I thought it was a maze. I can't do this. Even though I've only had 2 attempts. Look, I can't even get around the first corner. Well, now I have. And then I can't get through that bit. What? How is Roblox so cruel? Let me do this. Why can't it just be the first corner? That's it. I hate when these do it. Calm down. And it's lagging at the same time. How better could it be? Yes! Finally. My shirt is happy now, but scared at the same time. Bye 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 bye. Yeah. Bye. Hi, Red. I died. I can't make the first jump. So, come on, focus, Archie. Focus. So badly. Tech Pig, you're not joining in. It's lagging. You. Level 56. Oh no. Give me how many points? Would you like a game pass? No. I think there's about, don't know how many levels, but let's find out. It lags. That's the most annoyingest thing ever. And this person's catching up with me. Where is he? Someone's on level 48. They're only... See, that though, guys. Oh. See that lag though? Oh, I'm stuck on level 56. And this is more easier than that. But this one is the laggiest one ever. Look, this level is the laggiest one ever. And look, I'm not even touching it. Well, I might be. I'm spitting on the screen right now. Like, I'm not even touching. Look at my feet. Oh my goodness, that's a glitch about Roblox though, isn't it? I've been on a minute on this level, or even more than that. Oh, I just want a boombox right now. I might buy a boombox, but in the home screen, because then you can only use the boombox in here. My shirt is getting angry. Okay, let's try and zoom out on this one. See if zooming out works. Nearly? I'm gonna try zooming out the whole time. 24 karat magic, can you? Oh my goodness, I was just, literally guys, I was just singing that and then someone just put it on. No, I can't do that. This guest is very close to me. And I want to beat this guest because first he was on level 28, I was on level 40 something. Now he's stuck on the level, that level what I was stuck on, the red bit. He's stuck on that. So if I do it in time. What? What happened there? What happened there? Let me try and do it from the side this time. I'm trying different techniques, but at the same time. I didn't touch it. I've been on this level 5 minutes. This title is going to be called I'm Rubbish. Really badly. Or it might be called, I don't know, something to do with this obby's really hard. Yes! Oh my goodness, my t-shirt's so happy! Finally! Now I'm lagging. I need to wipe all my spit off the screen now. A minute. Can I skip this? Yes, I skipped it. Oh no, is it? Guess the path. I know the camera trick. Okay. Okay. Oh, so you can go on any. Kind of helpful. There's no checkpoint, oh no. I hate like upwards these. What? No! Do that export again. Ugh. Oh. Oh. Get ready. I'm not gonna do murder mystery now. I was gonna do it if I just literally did 20 levels in about 4 minutes. Thought that was gonna happen, but no. Am I on his tongue? What is this? I wish he could eat us at the end and then that's the finish. Or is this not even the finish? Imagine if this is not even the finish. I don't think it is. Come on. Come on. What? Guys, I did it. Oh my goodness gracious. We did it! And a hat remover. Guys, I can't wear a hat. I want to be Angel. Angel with swords. That looks so cool. Speed 100. Oh my goodness, okay, this is fast. Paint yourself. I'm yellow! What path? Borden ball path, okay. Let's go! Let's go! Let's fly off in the distance. No, this is the worst. I hate ball paths. Drop. I hate ball paths. Whoa, okay, I'm gonna turn this speed down. Normal. No, I've got a green. I went on 1. Slow motion. I just need to hit that 10 because then I'm gonna be hit for it. So it'll be faster. There, normal speed there. Go. Go to purple. Yay. Come on. Okay. I can't do these. I can't control them. Come on. I wanted a rainbow, but I don't care. Come on, let's fly away. And is this just going to be a... How big is he? How big is he? I'm going to go on top of his head. Yay. Or is he going to be hollow? I want to see. Hey a minute, was there a coin down there? No. It's not fair. Anyway, I'm going to save this. Then, ready? This has been the whole obby, not even that. Still goes down to there. So, yeah, that was the end. So I will see you guys later. But first, let's do this. Let's do... Jump on fire! And...